Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the August 2025 color kits from Shimmerz Paints. So let's take a look and see everything that's included in the kit. This kit is so bright and colorful and cheerful and fun. We've got some paints here, which I will swatch those in just a moment. We've got dots, we've got puffy stickers, we've got ephemera, we've got a color sheet, but I'm going to set that aside and start with the paper. So each month you receive double-sided paper, and it does have like a shiny coating on it. It's so pretty. So we had the stripes and then the checkers. Here we've got the sun. That's a very unique pattern. And then on the back side of that, we've got these colorful squiggly lines. Here is a polka dot, and all of these colors coordinate with the paints that you receive in the kit. Here's some little sunshines. Then we've got these purple squiggly lines. We've got some peace signs, so you could use your paints and color those up. You could even fussy cut those. We've got some rainbows and then some squiggly lines on this side. We've got a star pattern paper, and then on the back we have some yellow flowers. Here we've got some red flowers, and on the back we've got this one that's like a border, and it's got a sun up in the corner. We've got some check marks here, and then, ooh, this is fun, circles. You could paint those, fussy cut. Here's a pretty pattern, and then this beautiful teal color. So lots of fun, bright, colorful patterns to use on your projects. Then one of my favorites are these dots. So you receive 3 epoxy dots here. And let me take them out of the package so that you can see them. I know there's quite the glare in the packaging, and I need to unbox them anyway. So we've got a smiley face, a star, and a peace sign. And then we've got one sheet here of these puffy stickers. Let me also open these up so you can take a closer look. So we've got some flowers, there's some cherries, some smiley faces. So those are fun. Then we have a coloring sheet. So you can see here the icons. We've got the roller skate, the peace sign. Oh, I love that disco ball. So 70s vibes, so that's fun. And then you always receive an ephemera pack that's just loaded with product. So let me flip through these icons. I like this guitar. We just went to Nashville, so I'm definitely going to have to use that for our Nashville layout. Got a sun here. There's like a balloon dog. Those are so cute. I love those. Some cherries. We've got a heart. There's a little Polaroid frame. We've got a peace sign. Flower power. Good vibes. We've got a old-time television, the word yeah, groovy, and we've got some stars here, and a roller skate, that's so fun, and then a flower. I think this is a lava lamp. We've got a little can of cola, butterfly, sunglasses, there's a flower, here's a little radio, or jukebox. Some flowers, more flowers, little peace sign here. So lots of items. I do want to remind you that when you place your order on Shimmerz Paints, you can add my name, Melissa Minor, to the notes section of your order, and Shimmerz will send you a free paint. So that's always fun to receive a free item. All right, so let's go ahead and go get into the paint. So on these that are in the paint pans, you do need to spray some water on them to activate them. So I'm going to spray water first and let them sit. And then first up here, I've got this one here. This is called Fire and Ice Shimmerz. Now this is a brand new color. And let me go ahead and paint this. Isn't that pretty? And now the shimmers have lots of shimmer and shine, and the camera just doesn't do this Shimmerz justice because it's so shimmery. Then this next one here, this is also a Shimmerz, and this is called It's Meant to Be. So with this one, we've got this like teal green color. It's so pretty. Lots of shimmer and shine because it's a Shimmerz. And then for the next one here, let's see, what is this color? This one, I can't see it. This is a beautiful pink color. This is the pink champagne, and this is a Creameez. So with these, you just put some water in them to activate them. So you can see that. That's a really pretty, just like a light, subtle pink, almost like a bubble gum. Then this is a Coloringz. So this is a spray, but you can dip your paintbrush in it as well. This is Scarlett's Fever, and look at that bright red. That's so pretty. Now for these bottles, I like to tip them upside and just twist them to go ahead and shake them up. You don't want to really shake them, but you can twist them. And this is Oh Say Can You See, and it's also a Coloringz. So you can see it looks kind of like the sea, that beautiful green color. And then this last color here, this is Beets Me, and it's an Inklingz. Now this is included in the bonus bundle. So the bonus bundle is separate, you can add it on. The bonus bundle comes with this paint, this Beets Me, this beautiful purple color. And then it also comes with a package of sequins, and the sequins this month are absolutely gorgeous. So let me bring in the sequins here so you can take a look at those. They've got a couple little peace signs in them and just all the colors that match so perfectly. These are really fun to add to your projects. So that is a look at the bonus bundle. And then people sometimes ask me how I store the little paint pans. So I get this on Amazon, which I will leave it linked down below. And it comes with these magnetic pieces. You just peel them off the backing, and then they just stick to the pan. So I'm going to go ahead, and you can see I write the name with a Sharpie on the side, and then I usually write, is it an Inklingz, is it a Creameez? I write either an I or a C, on the end. So I will just go ahead and put my magnet on here, and then I'll place this in here, and then it's got like a little protective spongy piece as well. So I have several of these, but that is how I store my paints. So if you've enjoyed today's video, I hope you'll hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. If you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me on those platforms as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!